how to play Minecraft multiplayer on mobile. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to play Minecraft multiplayer on mobile. First, sign up for a Microsoft account. If you don't have one already, you will need it to play Minecraft multiplayer. Now, go to account.microsoft.com using any browser. Then click on Sign in the center. Now, click on Create One next to No Account. Here, enter your email or click Get a new email address to create a new one. Then click Next and follow the steps to set your password and complete the sign up. Next, download Minecraft Bedrock Edition on your mobile. This is the version that supports cross-platform multiplayer. After that, you're ready to play with friends. Now, tap on Play, then tap on Create New. Here, customize your world settings however you like. Then tap on Create to start the world. Once your world loads, tap on Pause. Then tap Invite to Game. Now select your friends from your Xbox or Microsoft friend list and send them an invite. If your friends are on the same Wi-Fi, they can also join by going to the Friends tab and tapping your world under LAN games. And that's it. You're now playing Minecraft multiplayer on mobile. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.